Welcome back to MS Word tutorials. Today we are going to see the topics text basics. So we are going to cover these topics, 5 topics: insert text, delete text, select text, copy and paste, save the document. Okay. First of all, how to insert the text in MS Word. See, you will see a blinking cursor or instruction point in the text area below the ribbon here. Okay. Now, as you start typing, the word will appear on the screen in the text area, right? Okay. To change the location of instruction point, press the space bar or use the enter key or tab also. If you enter, the cursor gets down. Okay. And if you use the start key, the cursor moves forward. Okay. So that you can enter anywhere. This is how we can insert text in MS Word. And what was the next topic? How to delete the text in MS Word. You can easily delete the text in Word, including characteristics, paragraphs, or all the content of your document. Word offers you different methods to delete the text. You can place the cursor next to the text here, next to the text, or you can place the cursor left side, right side of the text. You can use the delete key, backspace key, and you can select this text, and you can press the delete key, or else you can select the text, or you can press any, you can type anything. Okay, this is how we can delete the text in MS Word. And what was the next topic? How to select the text in MS Word. The text is, if you want to select a single word, this is how. If you want to select only this how word, you simply double click on it. Only a single word will be selected. Okay. If you click any, if you double click, only one word will be selected. See here, people, only one word will be selected. If you want to select this whole paragraph, only up to this question, you have to triple click on it. 1, 2, 3. Okay. The whole line will be selected. Or if you want to select this whole paragraph also, simply triple click on it. Okay. Or if you want to select the whole paper, you can press Ctrl A in your keyboard so that the whole text will be selected. See what was the topic now? How to copy and paste the text in MS Word, right? Word offers you different methods to copy and paste the text. Simply select the text you want to copy, okay, and go to Home tab. Click the command on copy, click the copy command, okay, and place the cursor where you want to paste. I'm placing here, and go to Home tab and click on paste command. The text will be pasted here, okay. And another method to copy and paste is simply select this whole text and right click on your mouse, select the copy and place the cursor where you want to paste, right click, select the paste option, okay. The text will be get pasted. This is how you can copy and paste the text in MS Word. What was the next topic? How to save the document in MS Word. When you create a document, it is important to save the document so that it can be viewed or reused later. Click the Microsoft here, click the Microsoft Office button, and a list of commands appears here, right? Click the Save As command. It displays as a dialog box, see here, and save the document to desired location. I'm saving it in documents. Save with the design name. Click on save. See here, you can also choose save command. You can also choose save command from the list to save the document to its current location with the same title. If you are saving a fresh document, it displays save as dialog box. The shortcut method to save a document is Control S. It opens a dialog box where you want to save. You can save with a desired location with a design. Okay. Thank you. That's all. That's all for today.